Oh. All right, so what is this? Travel day off to Portland. Try to take the coastal route today. It's a what is it? A 5-hour drive to Eureka?
Yeah,
4. Yeah, basically a 5-hour drive to Eureka, and then from there we'll take the coast up about 4 hours, and then finish off another 3 hours to our Airbnb in Portland. Oh, and as you can tell, she's driving. She's driving.
Hit me, what's wrong with you? And we are in the town of Eureka, but we're about to go have a good old burger right now. Craving it.
She wants one of those like sloppy, greasy,
Juicy, just dripping down with the big tomatoes, big onions and cheese, lettuce, get all you need. All right. So,
What was that? Someone's full.
We just ate our burgers at, what was it called? Surfside?
Yeah, Surfside.
Burger Shack.
Yeah.
And so, our plan for this leg of the trip was to get on the coast and get some coastal views. We now have less than an hour to get
Of sunlight.
and it's foggy as hell out here right now. So
Yeah. It's
if we
super
get it,
foggy.
It's like really foggy.
Like super foggy. Like
We
this
are-
might even be like
We are on the bay.
dangerous to even continue this route, but we'll see.
All right, so we are along the coast right now, and it's pretty dreary, right? Like
Yeah, it's all overcast.
overcast and wet and stuff. But we can see the water, like right there beside the road. Alrighty, so we are officially in Oregon. Yeah. Wait,
What was that?
This is our humble abode here in Tigard, whatever.
It's like a gated community with a whole bunch of complexes that all look the same. Are those little muffin bites just the top of the muffins?
No, they're like a full shaped muffin. You want one?
No. Oh man. All right. Let's roll.
Here.
Oh, hey. Will you give me this whole thing?
Yes. Because you didn't want one, right? We're gonna get on our merry way to Voodoo Donuts.
Where their donuts are in the shape of voodoo dolls.
So that'll be cool. So today we're going to the Portland Trailblazers Portland Trailblazer game tonight, 7:30. All right, downtown Portland.
Maple Blazer Blunt. Look at that one.
Marshall Mathers. Oh, Eminem. You get it?
Where?
Marshall Mathers.
Oh, Eminem's. Ha 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 ha.
So we just got our shoulder bag.
Voodoo donuts.
What is it?
It's a voodoo donut. See, it's supposed to be a doll, but you squish the face.
I didn't do that.
And you're supposed to be able to like poke it. And that's the
Here,
mouth.
get the other one out.
Hey. There we go. Matching voodoo donuts.
So he's enjoying his.
I just wish it was hot.
Yeah, it's not hot. So here it is.
It's got jelly.
The jelly throws it off. Like, it would have been good if it was just the chocolate.
Still no jelly yet.
But the premise behind it is that it's the blood.
Really?
Of your voodoo doll.
Oh, bless this doll. Alright, so it's raining and cold, and we're on our way to some falls. We'll see how this goes. Just got off
I think the road is blocked up.
Look, the clothes are on the side. Close, look at the close sign.
But that's because all Osport and Multnomah Falls is closed. Damn, burn.
Alright, so we ain't going up no mountains. See no falls.
So
Yeah,
no falls, no dam, no Crater Lake, no Thor's Well.
It's apparently it snowed. Alright, current dilemma. We got 36 miles left on that thing. It says 40 miles to the gas station. We don't need to get gas yet. We could just go to Voodoo Dolls. If that's what it is, I cut everything out.
41 minutes?
Yes.
We ain't gonna make 41 minutes.
Alright. High five. Good job, babe. Let's never do that again. Here we go with that gas, right? It's 34 degrees outside right now, and I feel like it's colder out on the water, though. And water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and 273 Kelvin. You know you want to know that information.
Sure.
I feel like other people were like, waiting in the,
All of our fans.
Yeah.
Your mom, my mom.
Stopping to Adidas to find some Portland Trailblazers gear. Look what we found instead. Okay. They're so light. Alright, so Sylvin just found these shoes. I need some like snowshoes for Vancouver. And they're my size, I think. Let's try them on. And the
I like how you got like the other shoes. Where's your shoes that you walked in with?
Whatever. The store is buy one get one half off. Guess how much these are? Guess how much? Guess how much? They're $29.95. $30. So I'll get these. And these are the same price. Can you imagine? You bought your Timbs for how much?
I mean, let's not compare. Let's not compare them to Tim's. I have a feeling that even if they don't fit, you're gonna take it anyway.
I've done that before.
No?
And these are fresh. Okay.
On our way to the Portland game.
Portland Trailblazer game.
Playing the 76ers tonight. Should be a good
That'll be
one.
a good game. So what is all this down here?
Do not blame that on me. That was in there from when I was sitting on that side and I saw that too. I was like, look at this girl. Can't even take care of the damn vehicle. Just turn it.
We're at this Moda Center for the game. It is packed.
You think if I call this dude over here, he'll tell me where else we could park at?
This one light off.
Where else is there parking? Where else can we park? Go down to the Orange Convention Center. Go down to the left and then a right on the next street. Okay. Thank you.
This is helpful though.
So we made it to the Blazer game. In our high seats. It's a game. So Portland came back.
down 15. Now they're up by 7.
Now we're up by 7. Crazy.
The game ended up being pretty good.
Really good game, actually.
Shabazz was killing.
Yeah, he was.
And the arena's nice too.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's out. It's a little old.
It's right there.
Oh. What is it called? Santeria. See the skeleton right there?
I'll put the salt on first.
Watch all of it fizz out. No, go ahead. Put the lime in first and then put the salt. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be spectacular.
Why is it so hard?
All right. Let's do that. We want no high blood pressure.
Okay. Just left Santeria.
Definitely a little hole in the wall dive bar. This is really nice people. Like she was super nice. I think she even gave you a free Corona.
Yeah.
Like she was really nice, but the reality was like the food was just not good.
It was horrible, actually.
It was disgusting. Yeah, the food was disgusting.
Geez,
I didn't know what I was eating. I didn't know the chicken. Like we debated the whole time whether or not we were actually eating chicken.
Pork or pool, like something. I think the chef was supposed to be there, wasn't there.
Oh, the chef was supposed to be there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So this dude don't know what the hell he was doing back there.
I mean, it looked presentable. It looked,
But the flavors weren't there.
It was so just not it.
The chips and salsa was good.
The chips were.
The homemade salsa was good.
I was trying to avoid eating it because.
Right.
The lady
grabbed it with her hands. I get it. After she just got done smoking a cigarette.
Cleaning the table and touching everyone's and this and that.
Yeah.
And like, washing of hands.
And there was no grade posted, right? Did you see a grade posted anywhere?
Obviously, it is a dive bar.
We got leftovers.
Oh, yeah. We're trying to decide whether we're going to throw them away or not. I really just don't want to
I feel bad to waste the food.
Waste the food, but it really is disgusting. And I
don't even want to eat. I'm not eating mine.
It might be better. Anyway. Good night, y'all. Started the day
late day. Really late day.
We needed to rest. We're gonna go to the aerial view.
Oh yeah.
Aerial tram. After the aerial tram, we're gonna go to where Ariana recommended. Shout out to my girl Ariana.
Screen door. I was gonna say open fence.
Oh yeah. Tonight we're gonna do the paint and sip. All right, so there's the aerial tram. Oh look, it's Landy.
All right, we're on.
We're at screen door.
End up getting. You got brisket.
I got brisket, and that came with like onion stuff on the top, and those beans. Or these like barbecue. What was the flavor?
It was a barbecue beans, but she wasn't a big fan of that. But it wasn't that it was disgusting.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't.
She
I'm
just
just
didn't
not
like
like
it.
a big barbecue person. Like I didn't even really use the sauce for the brisket.
Yeah. And I got a fried chicken
Oh my gosh.
plate.
That chicken was so good. Man, that was good. It was like fluffy but crispy at the same time.
No, because it was beer battered. So, oh no, it said buttermilk,
No,
right?
buttermilk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was good.
It was good. With the
Mashed
mashed potatoes
and
mixed
greens.
with it.
And the gravy was cool too. A little salty, but it was good.
Oh, I thought it was perfect. It was like used for some kind of meat gravy. But it was good.
But in the third plate,
Okay, then the third one, what is it called? The screen door plate?
yeah, screen door plate.
So it's basically a plate of sides. And what we got was the macaroni and cheese. Amazing.
The mac and cheese was good. It was really good.
The gumbo was really good.
I could have eaten the gumbo by
we had to,
itself. Like
hold him back. He
that's
didn't even want me
probably
to have any.
that's
Jesus.
probably all I would have really actually needed was the gumbo.
And then I added it's really technically not a side, but catfish. And it came with a lot of catfish, surprisingly. Screen door. And it was amazingly wonderful. Oh my gosh.
It was like home cooked
It
food,
was,
right?
like-
You know what I mean? Like it wasn't like restaurant food. Like it was home cooked. It felt like.
Yeah, it was good. Man, that was good. Screen door, definitely recommend. We are on our way to like a little paint and sip thing.
Loaded brush.
Called Loaded Brush. Here's Sylvin's. Yours looks nice. That's mine.
Yours look good. I like your trees. Like it's real bushy.
And so that's what we're supposed to be following. Alright. So we just left the painting thing that we did. What's it called? The loaded brush. 5 stars.
And it was real cool. The dude Aaron and his dog. What is it, Billy? What is it? Bob.
The dog Bob.
Yeah, compared to the one we did in Lake Tahoe, like she was very artsy, real. You know what I mean? But he was like, yeah, man,
do
whatever.
whatever you
Yeah,
do."
whatever. Maybe your world doesn't have a moon. You know what I mean? Like, but then you got to realize too, he has a puff and paint class as well.
Like he's a really good guy. So if you are in Portland and you want to do like a little paint and sip, I would go to the Loaded Brush.
Yeah.
Today's been a pretty cool day. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.